Hi, I'm Tony from TonySourcing.com again. Today I will introduce a new magnet building blocks. This is from one factory product. So they have two kind of series. Okay, we'll check for this one first. So this one they have 4 packaging, different color, different design. We just open one to see. So when I open it, just only 4 cube magnet. It looks like easy, right? And then they have stickers. Now I need to add this sticker on the surface of this blocks. Now I finished one. So this magnet can change the fitting design. Okay, now I finished the first part, so I can build this pattern. So because every square, every cube, they have 6 size picture, so it can make 6 design. For example, this one, and I need to find out maybe, yeah. Yes, so the cube is very light, but it's not, touch it is not so cheap. It's comfortable. So it's a safety toys for the kids to play, and also can train their memory, training their learning. Okay, this is the first kind of toys from this factory. Let's try another one. This one. So all the toy without any tool of any screw to connect it, all is magnet. For example, this one. The material is matte, so when you touch it, it's soft. Okay, now I build one. Of course, you can follow the instruction to build these toys. You just image by yourself to create another kind of new toys. For example, just now I have an idea. Yeah, I built a car, a new car. Okay, and these suppliers, they have a wonderful packaging. This is another design. Wow, it's big. So this toy, they are including this kind of toy and this one. So 2 in 1. They build a big set, and they have a very big instruction paper. So the kids can follow it to build, and the back side is the mat. So after build, they can use this mat to play. For example, this card. Okay, the kids always like to play on the map. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you are interested in these toys, please download our catalog and send us the information, and we will send you the best price, wholesale price for these toys.